Do you remember when we used to fold maps instead of just asking our phones for directions? Seems like a whole different era, doesn't it? Well, today, we're talking about another technological transformation, one that is revolutionizing the service industry and making it more accessible to everyone. It's artificial intelligence, or AI. But before we dive in, let's frame the context. Did you know? There are more than a billion people worldwide with some form of disability. That's roughly 1 in 7. Now, what if we told you that AI can dramatically enhance how the service industry caters to these individuals? Imagine a corner cafe where a customer with a hearing impairment can order their coffee through an AI-powered speech-to-text system, or a large hotel chain using AI to customize rooms for guests with physical disabilities. These aren't scenes from a sci-fi movie. It's the transformative potential of AI. Rolls graphs with statistics. According to a 2023 Diversity for Social Impact report, there's a clear link between disability inclusion and business performance. But when we talk about AI, it's not just about boosting your bottom line. It's about opening the door to a more inclusive world. Now, we know what you're thinking. AI sounds great, but isn't it expensive and complex? Remember, not all heroes wear capes, and not all AI solutions come with a daunting price tag. There are cost-effective tools out there that can revolutionize your customer's experience. And as for complexity, well, that's why you have experts to guide you. But like any road trip, integrating AI into your business comes with a map of its own. Your starting point, identifying the right AI tools for your specific needs, your roadmap, a comprehensive AI strategy with clear goals and timelines, and your vehicle, a talented team of AI specialists and disability experts to drive your plan forward. Let's pause for a pit stop. We talked about the how and the why of AI in disability accommodations, but what about the potential pitfalls? Like a chef who is responsible for the food they serve, businesses need to ensure that their AI serves its purpose without causing harm. Think data privacy, AI ethics, avoiding bias in AI systems. Yes, AI is transformative, but only when used responsibly. Before we wrap up, let's address some of your burning questions. How much does it cost? Well, it varies, but remember, there are cost-effective solutions out there. Is AI difficult to manage? Not with the right team and support. What about privacy? Critical indeed, and that's where robust data security measures come in. How can we prevent AI bias? By using representative and unbiased training data. And lastly, will AI replace human interaction? No, my friends, AI is here to enhance human service, not replace it. In conclusion, imagine a world where everyone, regardless of their physical abilities, can enjoy an inclusive, personalized experience. That's not some distant dream, but a reality we can create with AI. The road to an inclusive future is clear, and it's time we start this journey together. Because at the end of the day, isn't it about making the world a better place, one AI solution at a time?